Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Wells Fargo running slow, failing to update, or showing errors because your iPhone storage is almost full? Here's how to fix it from your iPhone settings, no login needed. Firstly, go to your settings app, then tap General and then go to iPhone storage. At the very top, you could see a colored bar showing how much storage is used and how much it is free. If the bar is almost full, Wells Fargo cannot store cache data, download updates, or run efficiently to free space quickly. Scroll down from the app list to find any app you haven't used recently. Tap on it and then tap Offload app. This removes the app but saves all its data so you can reinstall it later without losing anything. Then scroll back at the top of iPhone storage and check if the iPhone has recommendations showing things like preview large attachment where you can delete big videos and photos files from iMessages. After freeing up several gigabytes, scroll back down to Wells Fargo, tap Offload app, then go to App Store and reinstall it fresh. A fresh install gives Wells Fargo a clean, healthy start with plenty of room. So all you've got to do is go to settings, go to general, tap iPhone storage, offload the unused apps, clear large attachment, offload the Wells Fargo app, and